Hey guys, welcome back. So, this is gonna be one of those walk and talk videos. I just drove up on the mountain real quick just to thank you guys just for our 1,000 subscribers. It's just an optional, an awesome accomplishment that you guys have made possible, and I really appreciate you guys. And yeah, I just want to talk about it real quick and thank you guys. It's taken me about 2 years to get to this point, and at least 100 videos. And it's been a little bit hard because then you have to. For the past year, I think I've been making about 2 videos a week. And then the year before that, I was doing about only 1 a week. So, yeah, I really appreciate you guys. And thank you for every single one of you who subscribed and watched my videos. Every single one of you who watched my videos. It's just awesome. And then I'm really trying to make it on YouTube. I'm trying to make it, I don't know. I think I'm going to set the goal. I'm going to set it high this year. I'm going to set it for about 10,000. Do you think we can make 10,000, guys? So I'm going to try to make 10,000 for this year at the end of 2021. No, at the end of 2022. There we go. At the end of 2022, we'll have 10,000. Do you think we can make it? Don't know. I'm going to really try for it, guys. I'm going to really try and step in my game and try to edit more, better. It's been a whole learning experience. I haven't... The whole YouTube thing, it's harder than you think. People don't realize how much work goes into it. And it's like... I've learned so much because you have to be almost basically a business owner, an editor, a photographer, a filmer, all that, photo guy. So there's a lot that goes into this. So all those big YouTubers you see out there, it took a lot to get there, and yeah. So it just makes you appreciate what they actually do for video, or how much work they put into it to actually get where they are. So when you watch the next YouTuber video, they had to work for it. So don't assume that they just got a million subscribers randomly. So yeah, so I know I kind of rambling, but I don't know. I feel like you guys don't get to see my normal life and everything. It's just kind of me and my cars. It's just you guys. I know you guys mostly come for the cars and everything, but yeah. Here's me, as I am now. I'm just trying to talk to you guys real quick. I just drove up on my little brother's KTM up on the mountain to talk to you guys. Nice view. Gotta love the view. Sounded like Demolition Ranch there. Yeah. So I really appreciate you guys. And yeah, every video you guys watch just makes me happy. I just finally got monetized with 1,000 subs. It's awesome. Yeah. So I earned my first $5 in 2 days. It was awesome. So yeah, that's an awesome feeling. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate you guys. I don't know if I can say that enough, but yeah, you guys will always be my first 1,000 subscribers, and you guys are just that much special. There's more special to me. So yeah. So if you guys have any tips of any videos you guys want, or like some kind of video ideas that you think I could do, and so yeah, my end goal for this channel has been to build cars, and then maybe eventually in the future I want to get big enough where I can get sponsored and everything, where I basically get sponsored to build a car, and I build cars and everything with my sponsors' products and everything, and then at the end of it I want to be able to like raffle them off to you guys. Like, that would be really fun. And then so that way you guys can see the whole car being built, and then like I raffle it off to you guys and one of you guys like win it. So that would be like really fun to do. So that's kind of the thing I want to do with this channel. I want to get big enough where I can build cars and trucks and awesome vehicles, and then just basically give them away to you guys, or like raffle them off. So that would be really fun to do. And yeah, so I just got to reach a little higher numbers. I know I haven't been able to do a whole lot of building, just because I'm not financially there yet. So I don't have enough money just lying around to throw at the cars and everything. So I've been kind of doing some talking videos instead of actual product building ones. So bear with me. I know you guys probably get bored with my content a little bit, but I'm trying. And yeah. So yeah, that's the plan for 2022. Get 10,000 subscribers, get my editing better, filming better. I got a better camera, so it's all right. And yeah, we're gonna try and make it on YouTube, guys. So yeah, just bear with me along the way. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for 1,000 subscribers. first $5 of YouTube. It's an awesome feeling in 2 days. So yeah, really guys, I really appreciate you guys. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you join me for the next coming year. Thank you guys so much, and have a Merry Christmas. See you guys. Whoop!